everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're making baked feta pasta. This viral TikTok recipe has been everywhere, even on Instagram right now. So we are making a delicious, healthy version. Guys, it turned out so good. You're gonna wanna make this recipe. So let's go ahead and jump in. All right, so to make this delicious feta pasta, I'm taking some organic grape tomatoes, just one container, and putting that in my casserole dish. I'm gonna drizzle that with some avocado oil, but you can also use olive oil, some salt. I'm using truffle salt, and some freshly cracked pepper all on top of them. And then we are just going to toss the cherry tomatoes with our hands to really coat them with the salt, pepper, and the oil. We're gonna put that in the oven as it is for 20 minutes, and then we are going to add our plant-based feta. So this one from Violife is by far my favorite brand, but you want to add it in after 20 minutes and only for the last 10. I'm gonna drizzle it with a little bit more avocado oil, season it with this Italian seasoning from Clubhouse, and get all of those delicious spices on there. While that's in the oven, I'm going to be boiling some of this jovial grain-free pasta. I love it. It's from cassava flour. It is so delicious. After 10 minutes, I'm adding on the garlic, and I'm using some parsley because my grocery store was out of basil. I think everyone is making this recipe, and that's why. And we're gonna mash all of that up with a fork so that we are mashing together the baked feta with the tomatoes, the garlic, the parsley, and stirring that around until we get a nice sauce. Once our grain-free pasta is done, I'm putting that into the casserole dish, and we are going to toss it. You might want to use a bigger casserole dish than I did. This was kind of like the size that I had, so it was just a bit difficult to really turn it off without it overflowing. But as you can see, it is so creamy and delicious, guys. This was such an easy recipe to make, and it coats it wonderfully with the sauce. It feels so comforting and decadent. I would highly recommend making this recipe. It turned out so good, and like I said, it really is easy, and I really recommend the plant-based feta that I used from Violife. Not sponsored, it's just my favorite plant-based cheese brand. And then all you have to do is serve that up. I'm so excited to eat more of it today because I have leftovers. It is so creamy and yummy. All right, guys, I hope you enjoyed this recipe. If you did, give it a thumbs up. And if there's any more little TikTok recipes you would like me to helpify, definitely let me know in the comments down below. I am so excited to eat this for dinner tonight. Then I have leftovers. It is so good. So tag me on Instagram when you make this, and I will also leave my last healthy recipe here on the screen so you can get lots more delicious healthy recipes from me. And don't forget to download my free healthy dessert ebook. It's got over 20 of my top healthy desserts, and I will leave that in the description box below, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.